we are here to help each other. We are all partners. I want you to be candid. Is there a problem in the way prosecutions are being handled? Nobody can answer that question other than EACC.
Yes, Chair.
We don't want to go by what we see in the newspapers. We want to hear it from the horse's mouth.
In addition, Chair,
Senator Dula, yes.
This is your case. Yes. My question is, yes, they have powers to withdraw. Like in this particular case, do you just let it go like DPP withdrawing your cases without even consulting you? Yes. Yeah? Does it really make sense? Because you are the investigators. They are the prosecutors. You are the ones who know who committed the offense and who has not committed. So do you just sit there and say, let DPP prosecute whoever they want to prosecute and agree with them or whether they will consult you or not?
Bishop, I think, okay.
Yeah, just to ride on what Senator Dula said.
All right.
Is as in, I have seen in your, let's just go back. You have said on most of these cases you are not consulted. What do you mean by not consulted? Because if we talk about bad blood and concurrence, maybe you might misinterpret that you are not working. I know these agencies are created by courts. So as Senator Dula said, by the time a matter is being withdrawn by EACC, and I saw it was live on the Obado case, and I saw one of your lawyers stood and objected that they had not been consulted. But I'm happy what CEO has said, that apart from the criminal aspect, you normally go for civil recovery, which is good because we don't, at the end of the day, apart from punishing the criminal element, at what level does, if today DPP goes to anti-corruption court in Foroda House and they have a case, will they inform your officers that today we are going to withdraw XYZ case? Or does your EACC lawyers go there and do watch brief, listen and then report back? I think that is what we are asking all of us.
Senator had mentioned, it is true, our lawyers actually watch brief. And remember, we are the ones who produce the witnesses and the evidence, who sit through. And when, in many cases, when the DPP makes that application, in many cases our lawyers oppose. And it is in court record. But we have no control because the Constitution has given those powers to the DPP. He can do whatever he wants with a criminal case, as long as the court agrees. And in many cases, even where the court doesn't agree with the DPP, if the prosecutor doesn't prosecute, what can the court do really? The court will basically do nothing. So it is a fact. Our lawyers sit through, but the decent thing would be, as the investigators who have the facts, when a matter is being withdrawn, that there is that courtesy to ask the investigator, look, we are withdrawing this thing because there is a problem with this case. Maybe the evidence doesn't lead to a conviction. Maybe there is something that misses here. But when the investigator is not consulted on any of these issues, and your hands are tied because we are talking about a constitutional mandate of an individual who can either charge, withdraw, even where the court says proceed, because we've seen instances where the court says you cannot withdraw, proceed, and the prosecutor doesn't prosecute. What can you do? What can the court do? What can the investigator do? Basically, you can't do anything.
Mr. Chairman, just say what you wanted to say.
Thank you. Just wanted, first of all, to respond to Senator Wambua's 3 men thrown in the fire and a 4th one appeared. And in this case, 6 men were thrown in the fire and a 7th one appeared. If you check on our report there, it says 6 members of Makueni County Assembly and other county assembly. So there were more than. It is the 6 are the county assembly members, but there were others. So that's where the 7th man in the fire came from.